there ano 'to, parang what I learned is that no companies has ever had the right to prevent office romance. However, there are
Hmm.
companies who have been trying so hard to discourage that
Hmm,
because
mm.
because again, number one is they wanted to maintain professionalism in the workspace. Number two is they are of course trying to veer away from violating any laws, any policies that govern not just BPO sectors but the entire workforce industry in the Philippines, ano, or
Mm.
labor law in the Philippines. One of that is yung anti-harassment policy nga, right? Because I've witnessed multiple times before wherein personal experience, hindi pala personal, tropa ko ha, that ano na ano siya, parang he's a guy and then TL siya. And then he's really siya yung guy na ano, parang whatever gender you are, you can easily approach him. Gano'n siya ka-ano, gano'n
Hmm.
ka-accommodating yung vibes niya. And alongside that vibes ano niya is, women are approaching him, nagse-share ng stories, nagko-confide ng problems, gano'n, nakikipagtawanan, and he even goes out with his team. Na majority ng kasi niya is puro babae, hindi naman niya kasalanan 'yan because pinoffer sa kanya yung mga agents na yun ano. Yeah, parang they go out
Mm.
breakfast and then iinom and then yung mga gano'ng klaseng eksena. But